Already have a mini PC? Let's explore 5 smart accessories that can take your setup from good to optimized. 1. ZSCMALLS 15.6 inches portable monitor. First up, a portable monitor that's surprisingly versatile. It features a 1080p IPS panel with 100% sRGB coverage, built-in speakers, USB-C and HDMI input, and HDR support. Perfect for dual-screen work, gaming, or extending displays on the go. The 1000:1 contrast ratio and lightweight design make it easy to integrate into any compact desk setup. 2. Redragon wired mechanical keyboard. This mechanical keyboard isn't just for gamers. With 11 RGB backlight modes, hot swappable red switches, and anti-ghosting, it offers a smooth typing experience with fast actuation. It's also durable thanks to double-shot PBT keycaps, great for coding, creative work, or late-night browsing. 3. Ikling USB-C Hub 9-in-1 adapter. Mini PCs are powerful, but often limited in ports. This 9-in-1 hub includes 4K HDMI, VGA, Ethernet, dual USB-A, card readers, and 100-watt PD pass-through. Ideal if your mini PC only has USB-C output and you need multiple peripherals connected at once. It's compact, driver-free, and compatible with most devices. 4. UGREEN tool-free NVMe SSD enclosure, USB-C 10 gigabits. Need external storage? This enclosure supports NVMe M2 SSDs and connects via USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 with speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. It's tool-free, plug-and-play, and supports M and NVMe SSDs in multiple sizes. A practical solution for quick backups or expanding your storage without internal upgrades. 5. Anker Nebula Mars 2 Pro Projector, portable 720p. Want a bigger screen experience? This projector delivers a native 720p image with 500 ANSI lumens, and it works great with mini PCs via HDMI. It's portable, has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and can project from 40 to 100 inches. Battery-powered with up to 3 hours of video playback, it's ideal for movie nights, presentations, or even ambient backgrounds in your setup. All product links are available in the video description if you want to explore specs, compatibility, or compare prices. Like and subscribe if you like the content.